Hello and welcome to Social Cupid. In this video, we will be discussing the topic of how to get rich. While there is no guaranteed way to become wealthy, there are certain principles and practices that can increase your chances of achieving financial success. So, if you're interested in building wealth and achieving financial freedom, keep watching. Step 1. Create a plan. The first step to achieving financial success is to create a plan. Start by outlining your goals and the steps you will take to achieve them. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, and achievable. Set a timeline for each goal and monitor your progress regularly. Step 2. Increase your income. One of the most effective ways to build wealth is to increase your income. There are several ways to do this, including starting a business, pursuing a higher-paying job, or investing in stocks or real estate. Whatever you choose, make sure it aligns with your skills and interests. Step 3. Control your spending. While increasing your income is important, it's equally important to control your spending. Make a budget and stick to it. Avoid impulsive purchases and unnecessary expenses. Look for ways to save money, such as cutting back on eating out or finding cheaper alternatives to expensive products. Step 4. Invest wisely. Investing is a critical part of building wealth. Learn about different types of investments and consider diversifying your portfolio to reduce risk. Invest in assets that are likely to appreciate over time, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. But be careful not to invest in something you don't understand. Step 5. Learn from others. Seek out advice from successful people who have achieved financial success. Read books, attend seminars, and network with people who have experience in investing and entrepreneurship. Learning from others can help you avoid common mistakes and achieve your goals faster. Step 6. Stay disciplined and patient. Building wealth takes time and requires discipline and patience. Stay focused on your goals and be willing to make sacrifices in the short term for long-term gain. Stay consistent and don't give up. Thank you for watching this video. Remember that getting rich is not a guarantee, and financial success looks different for everyone. It's important to define what success means to you and work towards achieving your own personal goals. Use these steps as a guide to help you on your journey to financial freedom. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next video.